Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study in pharmacy step by step. Start by creating a weekly plan that blocks focused study sessions and includes active recall and spaced repetition. Break complex topics into systems, practice with past exams, and teach concepts aloud. Use flashcards for drug names and mechanisms, and schedule regular review days. Balance study with short breaks, sleep, and healthy meals to keep memory and motivation strong. Organize notes by subject and system with clear headings and summarized pathways for quick review. Prefer Cornell or mind map formats depending on content, and keep a concise drug table for mechanisms, doses, and interactions. Integrate lecture slides, textbooks, and trusted online sources, but avoid multitasking while studying. Set weekly resource audits to remove outdated materials and focus on high-yield topics that commonly appear on exams. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps you, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. On another note, I recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a fun mental model for smart habits and long-term planning that pairs well with disciplined study routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. It pairs nicely with disciplined routines. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Rotate study methods to build flexible understanding and prevent burnout. Alternate active recall, practice questions, teaching aloud, and timed problem sets. When learning drug classes, group by mechanism, indications, and common adverse effects, and quiz yourself with spaced intervals. Simulate exam conditions for full-length practice tests and review mistakes immediately to correct misconceptions. Keep sessions focused, use short 5 to 10-minute breaks, and track progress to adjust strategies. Celebrate each mastered topic to reinforce momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.